Hey everyone, today I am here with the recipe of South Indian style chicken curry. So come, let's cook. First, in a kadai, add some coconut oil. Add some mustard seeds. Then add some fennel seeds. Now we are going to add the coconut pieces which are cut into small. Now add thinly sliced ginger and garlic. The coconut pieces add more taste to the chicken curry. Always make sure to cook on low to medium flame and stir it occasionally. Now we are going to add the thinly sliced onion. So here I have taken about 5 to 6 onions, 5 to 6 big onions. Slated chilies. I have taken about 3 chilies. Mix it well. Add salt as per taste. Now we have to saute the onion until the onion changes its color. That is, it should turn into golden color. Stir it occasionally and cook on low to medium flame and just close the lid. When the onion starts to change the color, now we can add the thinly sliced tomatoes. Here I have taken only 1 tomato and add some peppercorns, black peppercorn, and saute it for about 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, we are going to add the masalas. First add about half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, 2.5 tablespoon of chili powder, 2 tablespoon of pepper powder, and 1 tablespoon of chicken masala. Add salt. Mix it well and cook it for 1 minute on low flame. Now add the chicken pieces to it and mix it well and cook the chicken on low flame before adding water for about 5 minutes with closed lid. Now after 5 minutes, add hot water. That I have taken about 2.5 cup of water and cook about 15 to 20 minutes until the chicken is fully cooked. Cooking time can vary, depends upon the chicken. So when the chicken is fully cooked, add some fresh curry leaves. Curry leaves give that authentic taste to the chicken curry. So here the tasty, delicious South Indian style chicken curry is ready.